let's start. What do we have here for the sign of water sign? Ay, sorry. Air sign pala tayo, no? Air sign. Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Kunin ko na lahat ng cards na gagamitin ko, guys, para tuloy-tuloy tayo. Getting to know each other, passion. Make the effort. Bottom of the deck, you do have your deception. For air sign. Tiger's Eye, Unakite is here. Seraphonite. Angelite, Bloodstone, and one more card. Bottom of the deck is Citrine. Meron tayo dito ang Aquamarine. And then, I will be using this deck for the near future. Messages. Gusto ka ni Mama. Dadating ako pag okay na ako. Wait lang. Galit ako. One more card. Isasakripisyo ko lahat para sa'yo. For your person. Dinadaan ko lang sa tawa pero ang totoo nasasaktan ako. May nagdidikta sa akin. Walang magawa. You do have here the Fool. One more card. Nagsisisi ako. Okay. Bottom of the deck is the karmic relationship. Okay. The energy here is that yung iba sa inyo, you might be you could be dealing with a twin flame or a karmic or both. Kasi yun yung dalawang energy na kukuha natin eh. I know, some of you, hindi lang isa ang kakonect mong person. Maybe two. Yeah. Two person or two people in your life ang kakonect mo ngayon. And so, but nakikita natin na there's a strong connection sa inyong dalawa ng person. Ito especially yung twin flame connection. Hindi para sa lahat to guys kasi hindi naman lahat ay may twin flames. But some of you, nararamdaman mo, twin flame mo yung person na ito. So, may strong connection, ano? You are obsessed pa nga. There are times that you are thinking of a person, not only iniisip, no? Minsan, fantasize pa. Well, the codependency, maybe if you are dealing with a two-person, the other one is pwedeng, nakikita mo na this person, unti-unti mo nakikita yung mali sa person na ito. Or yung mga hindi niya magandang ginagawa. And maybe, nare-realize mo na ayaw mo nun. Or hindi mo, feel like some of you, pwedeng hindi mo na gusto itong taong ito ngayon. Like in the past, maybe gustong-gusto mo siya ngayon, parang ayaw mo na. Because lalo na with the chemistry, mas lalo kang nagising sa pagkaintindi mo sa connection ninyong dalawa dahil sa presensya ng isa pang tao. And with the make the effort, I feel like the other person is nagagawa naman siya or ginagawa naman niya yung effort niya in order na maayos yung connection or yung relationship ninyo. But I feel like you do have your nagsisisi ako. So, either both of you or ikaw ang nagsisisi sa connection na ito because nga pwedeng na-realize mo masyado kang nagmadali or hindi mo masyadong kinilala, pwedeng ganon. And maybe you are in a relationship wherein ibinigay mo lahat pero parang kulang pa rin or hindi na okay, parang ganon. Well, nagsisisi ako is here. Maraming pinagsisisihan sa connection na to eh. I feel like pareho nga kayo dito nagsisisi. Pero wala nang magawa ngayon eh. A tiger eye is here. I feel like kung ano man yung pinagdadaanan mo ngayon, kailangan mong harapin. Yung na kahit this is the present moment, mag-focus ka sa present moment. Ano ba yung dapat mong tingin mong para sa'yo? No? You have to be honest sa sarili mo. Kasi sa nakikita natin, may mga bagay kang kinakagalit or ayaw mo na nangyayari sa'yo. Pero kung ayaw mo nangyayari ito sa buhay mo, kailangan mong harapin. No? And I feel like someone or maybe another person is about to resurface in your life. May dadating sa buhay mo pero you have to be real sa kung ano talagang gusto mo. And also, some of you, maybe kung hindi ka makapag-decide, you have to ask your maybe especially you do have here gusto ka ni mama, so maybe kailangan tanungin mo kung ano ba talaga yung gusto ng magulang mo, na parents mo, or kung hindi man this mother figure sa buhay mo na pwedeng siya yung mas nakakakita ng sitwasyon mo, ano ba yung may advice nila sa'yo. Kasi the way I see this, there's a situation na lahat ginagawa mo, sinasakripisyo mo, pero kailangan mong alam mo yon, hindi pwedeng laging tawa na lang eh. Hindi laging dapat ganun. Kasi ang niloloko mo niyan sarili mo. You do have your deception. You're fooling yourself. Alam mo sa sarili mo kung ano yung totoo. If you're dealing with your karmic relationship, you need to take actions para makawala ka dyan sa connection, sa relationship, situation na yan. And you have to take this big step, big risk right here with the fool. Ikaw ang kailangan gumawa nito. And you do have here, may nagdidikta sa akin, walang magawa. And the energy here is that pwedeng sa connection with this person is that ikaw talaga yung mag-handle eh. Maybe a relationship which is very toxic or hindi na okay. Feeling mo wala na nangyayari. Or there's addiction. There's this feeling na pwedeng or medyo toxic nga eh. Bloodstone is here. So, it feels like marami nang naging marka sa connection na ito. Wherein mahirap nang iburahin. Pero may mga signs and nakakita tayo ng you do have your angelite. This is like your spirit guides, your angel guides there with you. Na sila na mismo yung nagsasabi sa iyo kung ano dapat mong gawain sa buhay mo. Maybe you do have signs. And kailangan mo lang ng lakas na loob para harapin ko ano man ito. Okay? And I feel like there's a new person coming in here for you. But first, kailangan mo nang harapin yung sarili mong laban. 'Di ba? Kasi hindi pwedeng ibang tao ang lumaban para sa'yo. Kailangan ikaw mismo. Thank you for watching. I love you all and bye-bye.